What's up, YouTube? Today what we're going to do is figure out how to add data in between dates. We're going to have a dynamic range, and this is something I had to do the other day at work that I figured a lot of people have asked me about. You may want to see. So we're going to use this function, SUMIFs, and you'll see what it does here. It adds the cell specified in a given range based on a set of criteria or conditions. So we do that, and where's the data that we want to add? It's right here. We want to get the sales data. Let's say it's a lemonade stand. So you can just click on the column title here, or you can go all the way here, do all this stuff, or you can click here and Control Shift down. Now we're going to press F4. F4 adds these dollar signs right here. What these dollar signs do is it means that if we had to copy this down or the range changed, something like that, this function will always look to this range. So we don't have to worry about copying and pasting and anything changing on us. So we do that. And what's the range? The criteria range 1, so the first category, that's going to be here. We want the date. So we'll click there, Control Shift down, F4, then we'll hit a comma, and what's our first criteria? We want it to be between August 1st and August 22nd. So we can change that to whatever we want, but we have to make a little bit of a tweak here. So we're going to add we want it to be August 1st, including that, and also anything between. So we'll go quotation marks, because we're going to enter this as text, greater than or equal to, quotation marks, then you'll throw in and, then we click the cell. And again, we're going to hit F4 so we can lock it down. You'll hit comma, and then criteria range 2. So now we have everything at or above, or at, let's say the date of 8/1 to the future. Now we're going to go here for our second criteria, Control Shift down, F4, comma, and we'll do the same thing, just a little different. Open the quotation marks, and then we will do less than or equal to, close the quotation marks, hit the ampersand, and then we pick our date here. And we'll hit F4, lock it down again, close it up, voila. So let's just double check. We'll format that as a number. So we have between 8/1 and 8/22. 8/1 and 8/22. So this total should equal 139. We can sum it, or we can just select it. 139. Great. Now say it changes. All right, we only want to see